All right. My whole thing had changed. Even whole setup became a little bit different. Now it's more pointy ish, you say. Took over the whole room, right? Yeah, it does still. Okay. More pointy ish. So now if I get up, now it's you could see my body, yeah? Never mind. Never mind. Yeah. No muscle ass. Skinny ass. Ugly skinny ass. You're making fun of me, man. Oh, this is better, right? Yeah, you can still hear it. Hello? Yeah, you can still hear it better. Okay, let's get it. Weekly time frame. Let's go to weekly as well. I'll have to do this every week, so every day. So let's get it weekly in a weekly time frame. We're in a weekly guarantee for this bad boy. Oh, got a total soup there. Do this one extend a little bit. Our objective goal is over here, which has not been met yet, but our 50% has already got met. So yeah. We're still market soup it out, close above, soup it out, close above, right? So we're still in this range. Market soup out this low, close above this one, right? But we're overall in this whole huge ass range that has not hit its goal yet. Got this as a key level right over here for GBPUSD. For EURUSD, it's right over here. We don't have a confirmation that actually is there, but for this, we definitely do have a confirmation. I'm pretty sure. But if you go to the monthly, we have this monthly key, we have two key levels, right? We have this monthly fair value gap, not fair value gap, but monthly. We have this monthly sensor liquidity and we have this monthly rejection block, right? That could be both used as our key levels for here. It's actually way better than before. Hold on. Okay, so we got a key level for this, we got a key level for this. We had a total soup. All I'm waiting for a confirmation. So now we're gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame to look for the confirmation for the weekly CRT that we're actually in play. Okay, so for GPUZ, after the super liquidity right over here, boom. We have this model number one. So we already have a confirmation for our, what do you call it, for our CRT for what? For GU. Why do we have a confirmation for GU? Bearish, bullish, super to low, bearish, bullish, super to low, close above. We're still in the range. Nobody close above. Market had a couple tests and it had some reaction out of it. Sitting to this, right? So this is our model one. How this is our model one? This one super out of the low, super out of the low, close above, tap there. This is the candle that super out these lows. This is our model number one. So yeah, this is model number one. We're gonna wait until this candle closes. I've already read my notes, so yeah. Go to the weekly time frame. Oh, yeah, that's it. Because of the 4 hour time frame, do you have any confirmation yet? We do not have any confirmation yet. We have the key levels, so now let's go for our 4 hour CRT, look for our 4 hour CRT key levels. So now let's go to the daily. The daily has any soup. In the daily as well, we do have this same as the weekly time frame. You can see right over here. This is the daily range as well, the weekly range, right? Makes sense, right? You can see the daily range, the weekly range, right? Daily candle, that's weekly time frame. Boom. It takes the high and the low of the weekly CIT. So this is our daily range as well. We're gonna disregard this because we're in a bigger range. So now the bigger range got touched. Now we're looking to use this bigger range, right? So now we're looking to place ourselves to the upside to this bigger range. Hey, what? That. So we're looking to pitch ourselves to the bigger range, which is over here, and to the 50%. Now it's gonna go to the 4 hour time frame, go back to the dailies. Do you have any CRT? Do you have any key levels for here for us? We have this daily super liquidity for the dailies 4 hour CRT. In the 4 hour time frame, I have to scroll all the way back here, just look for a key level, which is over here, right? We have a bunch of these key levels, so we got a super liquidity right here. I mean, it could be this as well, right? But it's very, being logical here. So we got a CRT range right over here. So looking to long it till here and potentially to the 50% mark. But for now, it looks like just to this right over here looks to be great. And I'm looking for a low touch to the natural T as well. So I'm looking to demo that, but so now we have a directional box for where we want to go. So we're looking to aim for this. And the 50%, we're not going for that right now. We're just gonna wait till we're close to it. Then we're gonna set our take profit. We do it right now. It's gonna be like realistic because market could go down, come back down, go up here, right? Have his time. Yeah, he can have his fun time playing around. So we're not gonna be doing that. Let's go for the take profit. Okay, so now let's go to GU. Daily time frame. We're gonna CRT. Daily time frame. We're in a CRT range as well. This range right over here. We tap this insider range. Use so that was it's hard to analyze both of them at the same time, but yeah, we're gonna get oh just yeah, bro. Which ass nigga scared me, chat. Y'all saw that? What are you doing? What's wrong with this guy? I thought my whole fucking setup, bro. Yeah, we're good. All right. You guys see anything? So on a daily time frame, we have this small range, we have this other range. Nigga became a devil. What the fuck? So we got this range right over here. We're not in this bigger range, but we're in this side range, so it could be going for a little more of a soup. So for this one, we could extend our take profit if we do get a setup here. This is so much in the screen, but yeah, we're going to get through it. This is the daily, this is the weekly, right? Daily, weekly. I gotta see that video. I gotta see this recording of him jumping on me, bro. That's some clean ass stuff, bro. Oh, he's crying now, bro. Oh, he's crying for what's wrong with you, man? Hi, baby. Okay, so for our key level for our CRT range, we could look for it. So for this right over here, right, we don't have any. We were all the way there to look for a key level, so that's what we look for a daily. For this, we already have our key level, which is this rejection block that we are in. It could be looked as a key level. We looked at the key level. This sweep of liquidity that's daily as well. This daily low could be used as our key level, right? But looks like this right over here looks to be a good one. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Mark out our hourly. So I gotta be doing live stream way earlier, right? So I can do analysis paralysis. Okay. 8 a.m. candle launch of the CRT low. So we're looking to aim for well. We're looking for a 5-minute CRT. 8 a.m. candle align with the 4-hour CRT. This is gonna be way trickier. Just put a dot there, right? The dot thingy. Be doing this, right? Way too dark, bro. There. Okay, it says 4 or 5 a.m. 4 hours CRT. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Are we in a bigger range than a 4-hour time frame? We are not in a bigger range of a 4-hour time frame. You can see in the candle, we're not in a bigger range. So we're gonna disregard that. Are we in a bigger range than the 4-hour time frame? We're not. We were in this range. We're going through, so we're in this range. Time frame. There's an 8 a.m. candle line with that CRT below. We line with the low, so too long. But now we have a narrative to go to the upside, so now we know that we're certainly be going for that. But if that upside gets hit first, we're not looking to do that. Okay, we got our thing. We got our 4-hour key level. So this for EU is gonna be a daily. For GU is gonna be the 4-hour rejection block. This is the 8 a.m. candle line with the CRT high to low. For the low, so we're looking for a 5-minute 1. 15-minute, see low time to do another B as well. Now, all we doing is range. So for GU, we could extend our take profit to the daily 50%, right? Because why am I not going to the 100%? Because the 50% has not gotten reached yet, right? If I go for the 100% of the CRT range, it's less likely going to be taking too long and stop us out, right? I like to stop us out, right? So I'm looking to go for the 50%. Then I want to see how tomorrow's pricing is. Tomorrow could be it could be a reversal if the market is over here, right? We would go do it because of that entry. This right over here. But right now it looks like a total soup to me. Daily time frame. So yeah, let's see. Actually, this setup is way better because now I don't have to look far away. Now this is right by my face, so I could be looking for a. So yeah, this analysis paralysis can be way easier. Oh my goodness. These cats, man, these cats are so useless, bro. They scratched my whole majingi. Thingy majingi. I've read my notes right when I woke up because I kind of woke up late. So next time after I'm trying to I'm gonna wake up way much earlier. Anh ơi, màu sao anh ơi? Oh yeah, now we could make this look better. Fortunately, why is this like this? Why are they opposite way, bro? Stick, bro, stick. Sticky, man. Come on. Get it, nigga. Oh, I get this. So stick. Stick together, man. Stick together. Oh, cause it's like that, so you can't really stick for real. Uh, hey, stick together for real. Stick together for real. Hey, man, come on, come on, come on, stick together. Yep, got to stick together now. Hmm. Let's see if we could run away from each other. Glad. The opposite side of the CRT should not be hit first. If it does get hit, I'm not looking to trade it. For EU, we're not looking to go all the way until 50%. The daily is in a play as well, but these days are a little like inside bars. Well, this is the real one, right? So the real one, now we're going all over here. It's gonna go over here. Eventually, once we're near it, then we're gonna go for it, right? Right now, it's gonna be unrealistic. The swap commission fee, bro, this is the craziest thing. The color. Gay people. I'm in my face. No big in the base. I'll be right back. I'm gonna give me charger. Devastated. Devastated. If the range high gets hit, I'm not looking to trade it. This could be the model one for the daily time frame and the weekly. I'm not trading EU no more. Took out the high. Fortunate. Looking to trade EU though. 10:30 a.m. Actually, let me go place a really long swing trade for GU because GU looks like you have a setup here. Okay, so two, good time. What if I buy? I mean, I could buy from the T region. Just do this right. Shit. That's just not a 2 RR. Not taking it. Not taking it. Not taking it. Meta Trader 5. Oh, beauty. Beauty. EBD. 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 Yeah. This could be used for the Model 1 entry for the bullish movement for this up move here. I might take a swing trade, but it's gonna be on demo because I can't take more than 1 day of a trade. This does look like a very fantastic trade to take here, yeah. Oh. Hey. Much better like this, eh? Goodbye. You are not the father. I'm just waiting for this. Take that trade. I will be actually for the part-time firm. This is week 2, right? Yeah, this is week 2. So this week is motor placing week. So market could definitely be pushing it. Pushing it. It is short time. It is short time. It is short time. I'm gonna focus more on the Hudson period narrative. So I'm gonna go and backdash it more. I'm backdash it, look at more videos. This is difficult. Difficulty. 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 Well, I'm not trading EU at all. But if EU does close above it, I'm looking to do a swing trade. The swing trade is gonna be a forward testing trade. Probably wondering why are you now looking for a 4-hour model number one, and why are you looking at the 1 hour model number one? Because the daily is aligned with the weekly, so we could use a hourly. That's more strategic entry. You know what I mean? Uh, uh, Okay, so chat, my main goal for the day just to follow my rules. Follow the rules and take action. I could be on break down. Yeah. Yo, like he said it. But let me see how my voice sound with this when the mic being kind of far away from me. Too far away. It's mediocre-ish, by the way. Still want to mention my family. Let me see how it sound. Let me see how it sound. Today is a, what do you call it, a bank holiday, so market should definitely be slowing down. Let me see how it sound. Let me see how it sound. Oh yeah, it's good. So yeah, today's a bank holiday, but we're definitely gonna get a swing trade here for us. The model number one. How is this a model number one? Key level. How is this a whole thing in a model number one? A monthly key level, a monthly key level, another one, sub interjection block, a daily key level. And why? How is this a modern one? Is there a limited low at the end of the CRT high, CRT low? We're looking at the hourly. Why are we looking at the hourly? Because we're in a daily time frame. CRT that's with us the weekly CRT high and CRT low. So we're looking at the daily time frame to predict that move. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. No, hourly time frame. The daily time frame is with the weekly, right? So we can look for an hourly. So as more of that advanced entry, right? You could definitely go in a loss, but your swing trade, right? We're just here to learn, right? So yeah. So at the end of the CRT, we got this bearish bullish. Why do I not care about this this bullish candle being below it? Because this recently makes it a bearish bullish candle, right? Very little liquidity. One time, market never close above. Other time, never close above. Close, below. This will be the last time they close above. After this, we could definitely look for this model one to be a model one entry here. For GU, we already in the deep model one entry already. So people who are in like swing traders who could be DCAing here, right, to go push up higher, DCA the market. But for GU right now, to me, does not look like any for the daily right. We're in a daily and a weekly. So if we want to get an advanced entry, we're looking at the daily. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame, which has a 4 hour. For time we're in deep, like could have been over there. Would have been a deep drawdown. But right now, for this, you can see in the 4 hour time frame, the model number one is all over here, right? We're in deep drawdown right now. So if you go to hourly time frame, since we're in a daily as well, not the whole thing, right? In a daily time frame, we're in this daily range. How it is daily range? CRT, right? This is the Friday range. We could call it the Friday or the Thursday range, right? But we're in a bigger range right over here, which is the Thursday range. This range never got hit. This range might be a CRT here for us. Wednesday. Okay, that might be a that might be a S&T. High likely, high likely. Okay. Yeah, Wednesday candle did not get purged while this one did. So this looks like to be a S&T here. S&T with a correlated pair with EU. Looks like to be a S&T here, so we could be looking for a long here. So if we go for GU, for us to look for a long, he has to be above this candle. Above this candle. There's a bearish bullish candle right over here. There's a legitimate low here. When that low got purged right over here, this candle purged it out. This specific candle right over here, not this candle right over here. So looking for a model 1 entry from here. TP1 would be the 50% mark of this. TP2 would be here. TP3 would be here. Why would it not be this weekly 50% range? That's what does reversal does happen, but you already got tested, right? So looking to extend it to over here, right? And so basically align with the weekly time frame as well with it. So yeah, I might enter both of them. Looks like to be a better one, but I always so I'm looking to take only one of them, right? So I'm prioritizing one of them over the other one, and to me, it looks like to be the EU because EU looks much better, much clearer price action rather than this being a huge consolidation range and not getting out of the range. But it does look like a S&T here. You can see SMT, SMT, SMT. That would look like SMT here for us, right? But we never know until this daily candle closes. So when the daily candle closes, then we have SMT. Why do I look at daily time frame? Because this Wednesday candle had to be here. It's a CRT, right? At the weekly and the daily, right? But it is the Wednesday candle is the big CRT candle, but you see, it never got purged. So in order for this to be confirmation that there might be a SMT here, we're looking at daily time frame. Yeah, to me, it looks like to be the daily time frame, not the hourly, because hourly could be creating a lot of candles, right? So to me, in order for me to count this as a SMT, the daily candle has to close, and one of them has to purge it, while the other doesn't. So this looks like it's not purging it, but this is. So yeah, this is how we know SMT. That's just how we know that smart money is in play. The SMT. Well, EU took out the high, while Geo did not. Took out the low, I mean, with the Wednesday candle. We do have an S&T here, so look, it does look like to be. So we want to be trading the pair that offers an S&T. So that's how we want to be trading. We don't want to be trading the pair that does not offer a S&T. And what pair? We want to be trading the fairly swing, right? GU does offer that, but EU looks much better price action, so we could go over with the EU and get a better entry here. And how can I surgical S&T with this is by this is kind of tricky. Yeah, by letting that the daily candle close, so right now it's not specific that there's SMT here, right? So yeah, we're still looking for a trade for GU. After the project, we could look for a long. If this does close above, we're looking to long it from this. And then we could use an 8 a.m. candle as our saying E level. Let's see if we got a Moto 1 in here. Today is a bank holiday, so there should be nothing really happening. But sometimes that could be a lie. Sometimes it could be true. The last time when there was a bank holiday, market didn't move, but the periods before that, market moved, and it moved good. EU, I'm not looking for a trade. GU, I'm still looking for that trade to be occurring. Not looking to trade EU, I'm looking to trade GU. Might be SMT here. Let's see if this SMT happening. I have to go to the between time frame. Where's it looking for 15? Let's see. Oh yeah, so this yeah, once I can call this. We got to work out the 50% of the range. Oh my goodness. Going down to the monthly low. Looks like it. Yeah. That's a lot. What everybody. Let's see what happens in the next 6 minutes. Okay, let's give it the SMT. I'm looking to trade. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame for each. Fifteen-minute time frame. Is that a model 1 there or not? So this low right over here. It didn't get pressed by these. It got pressed by this candle. This candle right here pressed down this low. Then this candle one below that. If there's any. Does look like that's an actual Model 1. This Model 1 dug into the low. Yeah, this is a Model 1. So right when I see the SMT, we could be looking for a trade. But I'm looking for like at least a bullish sentiment here, right? I'm looking for a bullish sentiment. For GE, I'm not entering that because the opposite sensitivity is hit first. For GU, we are. $4 minutes to sweep out that low. Reverse the low. Reverse the low. It's the low. We had a setup there. Yep, we did have a setup for a Model 1 entry here. This for the 8 a.m., 9 a.m. model. Yep, we got hourly CRT there too. Did have our confirmation for that, but which that goes against our bias. Yeah, we even had a 15-minute Model 1 here as well. You do for work. That's what I do for work. Just studying the charts until I get it set up. Oh yeah, we do have a low time share. Yep, we do have a low time share. We do have a low time share T within the high time share T entry right over here. Model number one. You can't count this because it's got disrespected, so we count this as a model number one. But that's end of this. The opposite share T is hit first, so we can't even count that as our model number unos. See if we close above. The close above. Yeah. Your ear. Okay, so we got an SMT here. SMT. SMT. So for as of now, I'm not looking for this hourly. I'm looking for this 50% overall. So I'm looking for a model one entry here. So what would be a model one entry? This one, boom, press out the low. So this right here is a model one. So if I get dug in back into it, I'm looking to enter that bad boy. But oh, wrong one, wrong one. So model number one. This is actually good. So I do want to see some bullish moving out of here, so it could actually, like, boom. Okay, we're going for a 3RR. Okay, so we could extend our take profit to what? Because we're in a daily CRT range and the weekly. But extend our take profit to this. So does our main take profit offer us a 2RR? Yep, he does. So I'm extending my take profit from here to here. Why am I extending to here to here? Daily. Nothing above because we're not there yet. Throughout the week, yes, but now no. I'm not looking to trade GU. EU give us that low time relativity 150 entry as well. So EU should be pumping, bro. EU gonna give us a high risk to reward ratio. But I'm looking to enter this once the market taps right back into it. So yeah, right model one. This looks like green to me. Let me go get my chart here. GBPUSD. There's a stop loss 13. So why do you want to get a tap back into it? I'm looking to enter that bad boy. This looks like an SMT here. So my college that's SMT. It does go lost, it goes lost, but we're going for a 5.65 RR. But this trade I'm de-risking because I'm not really good with SMT, so I'm a de-risk to make it, sensible. So right when the market taps back into his model one, I'm looking to enter the trade. This does look to be a model one. How is the model one? Where's this liquidity? Right, this daily low, 15-minute time frame. We're looking for 15-minute time frame because we're in a 4-hour SMT. Right, 4-hour time frame. 4 hour SMT is not getting purged, but this one is. 8. And for this because we got SMT, we're going for this one, and we test the opposite of the CRT here, so we're not looking to trade that. But we do have a low time from CRT entry over here. But I'm looking to enter EU, GU, I mean. And extending my take profit from this to this. So yeah, if it does go on a loss, but we are de-risked, we de-risked by 5.5%, right, to make it logical. Let's see if we get a tap back into it. Once we get tapped back into it, I'm looking to enter this trade. If it just goes up by a lot, it is what it is. But if it does hit my TP1, which is this 50%, I cannot take a trade. So let's see if we can get a trade as beforehand. But I have to let the 15 time frame candle close before I could look for any sort of entry. Let's see if we can dig back in there. Our initial take profit, which is over here, offers a minimum of 2 RR, so we are good. We extend our take profits to this sort of 50% mark of the daily candle. We can see that we're in a daily range. We're in a daily range. This is an inside bar. You see inside bar froze. Friday was an inside bar. Thursday was a CRT range. You see Thursday soup. We got soup today. We got a CRT high. That's what you're over there. CRT high of the daily. So what's our daily key level for our CRT? For the daily time frame, it's this key level right over here. This is rejection block. This, there's plenty of stuff over there for our key level, right? That it could be this rejection block, this weekly key level, looking for VI gap. So to me it looks like to be this weekly daily rejection block or daily or VI gap, right? It could be any of them. And yeah, one more time. Weekly, this right over here. The daily just is our CRT, so we're going for this right over here is our final take profit. There's our daily CRT right over here. So for our key level for the daily time frame, one more time, it's this daily rejection block right over here. This daily rejection block is our key level. We don't have to mark it out because we know it, right? But if he does dig back in there, I'm looking to enter the trade. So let's see if we get a dig back in there. All right, I'm looking to place my trade of so I'm just waiting. And for EU, we do have an entry here. If you go to low target TT, but I cannot take this trade. Why can I not take this trade? It's very simple. Our opposite TT, the 8 AM candle got hit first, so I cannot take that, unfortunately. And let me go enter the trade for this. It's not hit it yet, so I'm still waiting. It's in there. I bought it. I'm into the trade now. Got me a worse entry, I'm not gonna lie. The spread is kind of horrendous. That's that was at 55. 2.8, 2.8, 5, 5. This does stop us out, but yeah. This looks like to be SMT here. We're predicting SMT. This goes on a loss, but we definitely did de-risk on this trade. BP is at 29.42. $29. So we're going for a 29, 29, 422. Correct. Entry for this. So stop is at what? 28, 558. 28, 558. Market ducked into it, okay. But it did give me a worse entry. Or my entry is at what? 91. Right over there. But yeah, regardless when this trade, TP1 is right over here. 3% mark. Didn't even draw it out. It's kind of hard to know color on that week. Right over there. But yeah, if this goes on a loss, we did de-risk, but it does look like to be SMT here, so that's why I entered the trade. Yeah, for this, for EU, what do we have here? Purge at this low, is there actual low here? No, actual low, boom, boom, purge another low, and dug below it. But when we dug below it, it was above this one, so this is our Model 1 entry for EU to the upside. We already got tapped to a couple of times and pushed a huge move back up. But let's see if this SMT can hold. If it does not hold, it does not hold. But if it does not hold, I'm not gonna take another trade. I'm gonna call it for a day because this is my Model 1 entry. For my Model 1 entry, I'm not taking one trade. But I'll be coming back to it later on and seeing there because this is we are predetermining that there's gonna be SMT on the 4-hour time frame, right? This is why I don't want to, and that's why I don't want to do we call it. I don't want to do SMTs, but yeah, kind of hard to predict SMTs. You see it's dugging down below my entry. No problem, yes. Let me turn this coloring a little. So should be. What's the stop loss color so? That really dark color really gonna mess up with your emotions, guy. So let's see if that could hold. If that does not hold, it does not hold. But we're here to take action. I'm gonna stay in the market till like 10:30 and then see, because I'm not entering EU because EU touched my opposite side of the CRT. But for GU, I am. Timing, folks, timing. TP1 is right above our entry, which is like a 1-to-1 RR. TP2 is right over there. TP3 is all over there. So let's see if this does push it up. If it doesn't push it up, it is what it is. It's a good trade to take regardless. So you see what's happening at all the time frame. So you can see right over here SMT. So let's see if we can hold this off. If it does not hold this off, it is what it is. We de-risked on this trade. I'm happy. Right. If we lose, we're losing less. If we win, we're making less, but we did what we need to do. We said what we're gonna do. Today's a bank holiday as well, so I'm not expecting the market to hit my goal until next day. is non-essential. If it does go on a loss, it does go on a loss. But we de-risked. So let's see if the SMT right over there could hold. Because if it gets broken through that, boom, it's gonna just go heavily down. Yeah, it's gonna pipe down. I could open and close, open and make the high, in the low and close. In the low, high. So let's see. I'm happy with this trade regardless of the outcome. I'm gonna focus on the process, not the outcome. And that's how it should always be. This is the right range of the CRT. It says we still need. Yes. To see if the SMT could hold. If that could hold, that could be a pretty good thing. But SMT is kind of harder, so if to pre-predict it, right? You know what I mean? But yeah, we took our action. I'm not trading EU because that's the opposite is here T. For GU, I am not looking at the hourly because we have a 4-hour SMT here. So yeah, we are green. And This SMT looks like it hold it once, so let's see if we can hold it one more time. If we can keep on holding it, that could be a true SMT. If it does not hold it up, market is definitely gonna go down there and press it out. But we until this candle ends and it does not press out the liquidity, we are going to be possibly chilling because the time the CRT soup is not gonna happen at the right time. So market could be giving us that benefit, but if it does not, it does not. If it slips out, it out. But we de-risk in this trade. I'm happy with the outcome. Whatever the outcome is, I'm happy. For the process, not the outcome. Yeah, this could definitely go in a loss here. Let's see if we can hold it off. If it does not hold it off, it's not a SMT. If it does hold it off, it's a SMT. No, easy. Scroll as hell, I ain't doing that. Come on. But let's see if we could recover. If we can't recover, that's what it is, man. So we're gonna be DCAing 40%. We're gonna be doing 40% partial, 30% partial, or not 30% partial. Yeah. Or I might do 30% and then 40%, then 30%. Let's see that's a good hold. We have 4 minutes to this time soup range ends. This one soup take key time, which is 9:45, but it's hit the opposite side of the CRT, so we're not looking for that. All right, I am done for the day. I'm gonna come back at this. I'm gonna come back at this trade later on. When if it hits CP or a sell stop, then we're gonna find out. After that, the market do its thing. Market move. Because if I keep on saying the market, I might have some emotion because I'm using my phone as well. And I took my trade. Now I'm all green. After I take my trade, I can use my phone. Right. And all green here. Goes on a stop loss. It goes on a stop loss. But we de-risk. Right. If it goes on a take profit, it goes on a take profit. It goes wherever it goes. Right. But all we did it was follow our rules. We did the SMT. It looked like it was an SMT here. So we did what our rules said. We followed our rules. So now you could go either go in a loss, you could go in a win. But you could see right over here that 10 a.m., 10:30 o'clock just happened. So this could be the end of the total soup time, right? The time total soup, right? So this one did a time total soup. This one did SMT. But yeah, goes on a loss, it goes on a loss, it goes on a win, gonna win. But I'm gonna come at this trade around like 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. when it hits sell stop or when it hits TP. But with the focus on the process rather than the outcome. Because if I look on a chart too much, it might gain me emotions. I don't want that emotion to control how I trade. Right? I want myself to control myself, how I trade. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys. And so that's everything, right? I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys when the trade ends. TP1 is this 50% green mark right over here. It's the 50% range of the 4-hour CRT. TP2, why we're doing this 50%? Because we have a SMT on the 4-hour time frame. This one did not took it, but this one did, right? So we're going for the 50% mark as our first take profit. Send as SMT. First take profit will be 50%. Second take profit will be the CRT high, CRT low. Third take profit for the daily, 50% of the daily CRT, which is this right over here, right? Daily and a weekly as well. The weekly is all over here, but we're going just to the daily, right? My main take profit, which is right over here, allows me to, has a 2 RR or more, so I'm allowed to extend my take profit here. So I don't really care about this take profit. I'm just gonna be a runner's run. But yeah, this goes on a stop loss. It goes on a stop loss, but we followed everything. If it goes on a loss, and it goes on a loss. But the best thing is that we follow our rules. And yeah, I'm just gonna come back. This trade might end like the next couple minutes, right? Take us out, stop us out. But we de-risked. We follow our rules. Now we just gotta focus on the process. Not let the emotions come into play. If we lose a trade or if we win a trade, we gotta lose, move on to the next trade. Loss, move on to the next trade. If we lose, journal, right? Journal, avoid next time. If we win, journal, repeat. If we miss, journal, that's next time.